So hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create a PayPal invoice. So if you want to create a PayPal invoice, you will need to log into your account, navigate to pay and get paid, and select create an invoice. So let's open up the app. So through here you can see your account looking something like this. So through there you can check out some different tabs at the bottom, from home to send requests or wallet. So once you are there, you can open the send/request. And from here, you can send a request just from about anyone, anywhere. So you can see some options on there. So what you need to do is, once you find your recipient, to send an invoice to get paid. So type in your customer's information and what they're buying, review the final bill, and then once you're ready, you can tap send or copy the invoice link to share through text or some other messaging app. So it's really helpful for you if you are selling some goods or services to someone and you want to have that invoice just for bookkeeping or some other purposes. And you can just type in the name of that person that you want to send that invoice to, or rather request money from. And you can tap that send an invoice to keep that invoice for that. Just make sure to type in the good or service that you are providing that person, and the request is going to then form an invoice. You can save it as a link so you can share with that recipient another way through a messaging app or email or something like that. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on PayPal or some other topics you might find interesting as well. See you guys in the next one. Goodbye.